जैसा कि मैंने बोला, मरीन सब्जेक्ट इज़ क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग। यह एक छोटी सी वीडियो bookinghunter.com की है, जस्ट टू impress what could be the marine traffic, anything which floats on the surface of water, whether it is launch, whether it is boat, anything, any ship, any vessel, any coastal going ship, ocean going vessel can be insured under marine insurance. So whether it is a traffic for passenger, whether it is goods, whether it is ship itself, can be covered under uh, marine insurance. Now we are going to understand as what are the terms that we use in marine import and export or domestic transit. Now, marine is not only through marine or sea, but now marine is anything that can be transported by way of road, by way of air, by way of sea. So everything by way of post office. So whatever can be sent through all these modes, even multimodal mode, where we are using more than one type of transport, is included into marine insurance. So now we are going to discuss as what are the sale contracts terms. These terms are known as Incoterms 2010. In 2010, uh, there before 2010 there were 13 Incoterms which are drafted by International Chamber of Commerce (ICC), but in 2010 these 13 terms now reduced to 11 terms. These terms includes DAF, DES, DQ, DDU, X-Work, CIF, FOB, FOR. Uh, Two more terms, new terms are added now in Incoterms. These are DAT, delivered at terminal, and DAP, delivered at place. So these two terms are added now under 2010 Incoterms schedule. Now total 11 Incoterms are there. So people are able to understand, the business people are able to understand as what should be their liability. For example, FOB and FOR, FAS, these are the popular terms. FOB means free on board. फ्री ऑन बोर्ड का मतलब होता है कि जैसे ट्रांसपोर्ट है तो जो सेलर है उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ट्रांसपोर्ट तक माल बुक करने की। FOB फ्री ऑन बोर्ड। FAS फ्री अलोंग साइड शिप, शिप तक माल पहुंचाना बायर की सेलर की जिम्मेदारी है। जब वो सेलर वहाँ ट्रांसपोर्ट पे, शिपिंग कंपनी पे या एयर में माल बुक कर देता है, ऑनवर्ड जवाबदारी बायर की हो जाती है, उसका इंश्योरेंस बायर को लेना पड़ता है। सो FOR जब रेलवे में बुक करते हैं तो फ्री ऑन रेल, जब ट्रांसपोर्ट